Hello, cybersecurity enthusiasts. You are welcome to this brief introduction to my CompTIA Plus cybersecurity questions and answers designed specifically for students like you. This video will give you an overview of the essential topics covered in my cybersecurity exam preparation material, which includes a variety of questions, scenarios, and answers. Talk about CompTIA Plus. CompTIA Plus is one of the most recognized certifications in the IT industry. It's an essential stepping stone for anyone interested in IT support and cybersecurity careers. Passing this exam shows that you're well-versed in IT fundamentals and security protocols. I've created these questions to help you not only prepare for the exam, but also deepen your understanding of real-world cybersecurity challenges. In my resource, you'll find carefully curated questions covering topics like network security, operational procedures, threats, and attack vectors, among others. Each question is followed by a detailed answer explanation. The content includes multiple-choice questions, hands-on scenarios, and flashcards. It's designed to help you assess your knowledge and focus on areas that need improvement. Are you ready to test your cybersecurity knowledge? Feel free to comment below with any questions you might have about the study materials, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tips and updates. Thank you for watching, and I hope this content helps you as you prepare for your CompTIA Plus exam. Good luck on your cybersecurity journey, and stay secure. If you're ready to dive deeper into the content, check out the full resource linked below. See you next time.